Trekkers Travels presents an enchanting journey through the vibrant city of Barcelona, a city that is a cocktail of culture, history, and adventure, stirring the senses and captivating the spirit. Barcelona boasts a unique architectural landscape, where the Gothic grandeur of the past rubs shoulders with the whimsical modernist designs. It's a city where every alleyway tells a tale, every building is a canvas, and every square a stage. The food scene here is as lively as the city itself. From the bustling markets bursting with fresh produce to the tapas bars serving bite-sized delights, Barcelona is a gastronome's dream. But when the sun dips below the horizon, the city truly comes alive. The nightlife in Barcelona is a heady mix of music, dance, and celebration, an irresistible invitation to let your hair down. Ready for an adventure? Buckle up as we dive into the heart of Barcelona. First stop, the Sagrada Familia, a testament to the genius of Antoni Gaudí. This architectural marvel isn't just a building, it's a symphony of stone, an ode to the divine, and a testament to one man's unyielding vision. Born from the mind of the eccentric and brilliant Antoni Gaudí, the Sagrada Familia is a beacon of creativity and ingenuity. Gaudí was not just an architect, he was a visionary who saw the world through a lens of curves, colors, and natural forms. His unique approach to design is evident in every inch of this awe-inspiring basilica. The Sagrada Familia story began in the late 19th century, and it's a tale that's still being written today. Construction commenced in 1882, and more than a century later, this monumental project is yet to be completed. But don't let the ongoing construction deter you. The unfinished state only adds to the Sagrada Familia's allure, making it a living piece of history that evolves with every passing year. The basilica's exterior is a spectacle in itself, a complex tapestry of biblical scenes and symbolic motifs etched into stone. But it's inside where Gaudí's genius truly shines. Sunlight filters through the stained glass windows, washing the interior in a kaleidoscope of color. The forest-like columns rise towards the heavens, creating a sense of infinity and beyond. The Sagrada Familia isn't just a basilica, it's a testament to the enduring power of human imagination and perseverance. Despite numerous obstacles and setbacks, Gaudí's vision has persevered, a symbol of Barcelona's spirit, resilience, and artistic prowess. And it's not just about the past. The ongoing construction of the Sagrada Familia is a reminder that art, like life, is always evolving, always growing. It's a symbol of the future, a beacon of what's possible when we dare to dream and have the courage to bring those dreams to life. A visit here isn't merely about admiring a beautiful building, a new surprise. From the playful dragon fountain at the entrance, to the bird nests built into the park's stone walls, Gaudí's love for nature is as palpable as the warm Spanish sun. Park Güell isn't merely a testament to Gaudí's genius, it's also a symbol of Barcelona's cultural heritage. In fact, the park, along with several other works by Gaudí, has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a recognition of their exceptional contribution to the cultural and architectural landscape of the city. But Park Güell is more than its physical features. It's a living, breathing space where locals and visitors converge, where music fills the air, where artists display their works and children play among Gaudí's fantastical creations. It's a place where every visit feels like stepping into a dream, a vibrant dream painted in hues of Gaudí's imagination. So, if you're yearning for a splash of color, a touch of whimsy, and a panoramic view that will leave you breathless, then there's no better place to be than Park Güell. It's not just a park, it's a world where nature and architecture meet in perfect harmony. From the serene park, we move to the bustling streets of La Rambla and the charming alleys of Barrigotic. As if in sync with the rhythm of a flamenco dancer's castanets, the heartbeat of Barcelona quickens. We find ourselves on La Rambla, the city's pulsating artery. It's a vibrant promenade, brimming with life and energy, where the city's soul bears itself. It's about stepping into a world where art, faith, and history intertwine. It's about experiencing the power of creativity, the relentless pursuit of a vision, and the sheer audacity of human ambition. A place where art, faith, and history intertwine, the Sagrada Familia is a must-visit on any Barcelona itinerary. Next, we journey to Park Güell, a colorful oasis in the city. Located on Carmel Hill, this unique park is a kaleidoscope of color and creativity, a testament to the boundless imagination of its creator, the renowned architect Antoni Gaudí. Park Güell is more than just a park. It's an enchanting forest of whimsical structures and vibrant mosaics that seem to have sprung from the pages of a fairy tale. Gaudi's distinctive style, inspired by natural forms and his love for Catalonia, is evident in every corner of this magical space. One of the park's most iconic features is the undulating bench in the main terrace, adorned with multicolored ceramic tiles. It's not just a bench, but a sinuous, serpentine sculpture, a perfect place to rest and soak in the panoramic views of Barcelona spreading out beneath you. The park also boasts a network of winding paths and hidden corners, each revealing stands sentinel over the quarter. Its cloister, home to a gaggle of geese, is an oasis of tranquility amidst the urban hustle. Barrigotic's charm lies in its contrast. It's where old-world charm meets contemporary culture. The quarter's quaint boutiques, trendy bars, and modern art installations breathe a fresh life into the ancient stones. It's a place where the past and the present coexist, creating a harmony that is quintessentially Barcelona. So, whether it's the energetic vibe of La Rambla or the historic allure of Barrigotic, these places are the city's heartbeat. They pulse with life, with stories, with the spirit of Barcelona. La Rambla and Barrigotic, where every corner tells a story. Finally, we visit Casa Batlló, another Gaudí masterpiece that takes architecture to a whole new level. Nestled in the heart of Barcelona, this architectural gem is a testament to Gaudí's unbridled imagination and his ability to blend design with functionality. Casa Batlló stands as an embodiment of Gaudí's unique take on modernism, an art and literature movement that swept Catalonia in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The building's facade is a riot of colors, created using a technique known as trencades, which involves breaking ceramic tiles into small pieces and using them to create intricate mosaics. The result is a vibrant, undulating surface that seems to shimmer and change as the light hits it, creating a sense of movement and life. But it's not just the exterior that mesmerizes. Step inside, and you'll find yourself immersed in an ocean-themed wonderland. The interior of Casa Batlló is a symphony of blues and whites, with undulating walls and ceilings that mimic the ebb and flow of the sea. The staircase, resembling a giant sea creature's backbone, spirals upwards, leading to rooms filled with organic shapes and marine motifs. The symbolism woven into Casa Batlló's design is another aspect that sets it apart. Gaudí was known. Street performers charm the passers-by, each act a unique spectacle, from living statues to fire eaters and musicians. The air is filled with the scent of flowers from the Mercat de la Boqueria, a kaleidoscope of colors and flavors, where locals and tourists alike come to savor the city's bountiful produce. But the heartbeat of Barcelona is not just the lively La Rambla. It also lies in the labyrinthine lanes of Barrigotic, the Gothic quarter. Here the city's history whispers through the narrow winding alleys. Age-old stones kissed by time echo tales of Roman rule, medieval strife, and artistic revolutions. The ancient walls of the quarter, punctuated by hidden courtyards, seem to hold secrets, waiting to be discovered. Every turn in Barrigotic is a step back in time. Historic buildings stand tall, their Gothic architecture a testament to Barcelona's rich past. The Barcelona Cathedral, with its sandstone facade and intricate gargoyle, for his love of nature and his belief in the divine. This is reflected in the building's design, with its skeletal balconies and windows that resemble sea creatures, and the roof that brings to mind the back of a dragon, a nod to the legend of St. George, the patron saint of Catalonia. This building is more than just an architectural masterpiece. It's a testament to Gaudí's vision, his ability to push boundaries, and his talent for creating structures that are as functional as they are beautiful. It's a building that captures the essence of Barcelona, a city that's vibrant, creative, and unafraid to be different. Casa Batlló, a building that truly embodies the spirit of Barcelona. And that's just a taste of what Barcelona has to offer. We've explored the architectural wonder of Sagrada Familia, soaked in the vibrant colors of Park Güell, felt the heartbeat of the city at La Rambla and Barrigotic, and admired the genius of Gaudí at Casa Batlló. Each location, a story in itself, telling tales of Barcelona's rich cultural and architectural